Hi there, this is our MEP Shark 332 NC Evo bandsaw. Probably needs no introduction. They're a very well known European machine, really good quality. They cost more, but the quality really shows. They truly do last. This one's in good condition and ticks over nicely. I'll pair it up and run you through its different features. So I'll push on and reset 0, so it zeros the voice when you first power them up. And the different functions that it has, so I'll take you to the selecting the cycles. I'll take you through the manual one. The manual one basically means that that head floats, and then you can just pull the trigger and push it down by hand. The next one is a semi-automatic one, which means you can grab your head here, choose a height that you want it at, pull the trigger, and then from there it forces it down. So that's a really good feature if you wanted to do something quick. The next one is a semi-automatic dynamic one, which basically, if I put that onto that cycle, means that you can take your head up and down, choose a height, and then push start on here, and it comes down. So I'm going to slow that bow speed down a little bit, and I'll adjust the blade speed. So that's on full and slower, and the other pot here is for your downward pressure. So I'll speed that bow descent up again now. So those are those three features. And then it goes back up to the height that you've set it at. The last feature is an automatic one, so I'm going to clear any previous cuts there and start that program. So I've set it up to cut 2 at 700. So what that means is it'll end up shuttling that vice or indexing that vice twice to get it 700. So it's done a cleaning cut there. The automatic cycles really good on these. I could set up a program to do one cut at 700, one at 300, one at 150, etc. And also I can set, if I've got 10 programs set up there, I can actually set the order that it'll do them in. So I might want it to do program 1 first, and then jump to program 4, and then go back to program 2, etc. So that's fed that 700 in, and it's preparing for the next feed in. Now they've got hydraulic clamping vices on them. So that's fed in as much as it could, and now it's taking its second grab to get that last little bit to give it the 700. So basically that's telling me it's the end of cuts now, and it's just opened that vice up and setting it to its home position for its next command in auto. So I just push reset. So there it is. They are really good quality saws. You can really see the quality in them, and this one's all set to go.